I'm Pete Smith, Head of Sales and Marketing at IAconnects. This is a short video to explain the IAconnects, Aruba and EnOcean partnership. And I'll also be showing a short demo of our IoT Starter Kit. The partnership has created the possibilities of creating easy to deploy IoT solutions, allowing customers to utilise existing or future Aruba Wi-Fi access point infrastructure, providing a trusted, secure means of connecting local wireless EnOcean sensors to any cloud application software. Our Mobius Flow software also allows the integration of other sensor protocols such as LoRaWAN, Workplace Occupancy and IQRF. Now onto the IAconnects, Aruba and EnOcean Starter Kit. You can find plenty of information about the Starter Kit on our website, as shown here, and by visiting iaconnects.co.uk/Aruba. You can purchase the Starter Kit through one of our resellers or system integrators. The Starter Kit comprises an EnOcean USB dongle, an EnOcean energy harvesting switch, and an EnOcean temperature, humidity, lux level, acceleration and orientation sensor, which forms this multi-sensor here. You also get a 3-month Mobius Flow cloud subscription for up to the first 20 connected sensors. When you receive your starter kit, there will be an insert on the first page with instructions explaining how to get started with your cloud instance of Mobius Flow, and the first tab you'll be greeted with is the Welcome tab on the demo dashboards. For the purposes of this demo, I will be using simulated data as it is useful when showing higher rates of data, and therefore the dashboards will move more quickly. You can adjust the simulated data rate as shown here, and for this demo I'll be using 3000 milliseconds or 3 seconds. Firstly, I'd like to show the All Data tab. Here you can see the raw data from the multi-sensor and switch unrelated to any use case. So the temperature, humidity and illumination or lux levels are shown alongside the vibration with 3 different readings here. You'll also see the switch buttons and magnetic contact changing periodically. Here we've used the vibration elements of the multi-sensor to detect whether a desk is occupied or not. The icon indicating occupancy changes dependent on the vibrations detected, this little person icon here up at the top. In reality, you'd have a dedicated desk occupancy sensor, which can then use that data in conjunction with third-party applications such as desk booking solutions. You can now see that the occupancy state has changed. Move on to another use case now, so the server room monitoring. Monitoring the state of a server room can be key for multiple or almost all organisations that have them. By using the multi-sensor, you can detect a range of things which would be useful in this use case, so whether the lights are on, if the temperature and humidity are acceptable levels, that kind of thing. And as you can see in the demo, the lights are currently being shown as on, with the lux levels changing intermittently. The temperature changes from being okay to too high to too low, and the same can be said for the humidity, and there we go, the temperature has changed to being too high. So this is key for kind of FM teams or building managers, as server performance is critical to any business. On to another demo now, so the toilet cleaning demo. As you can see, I've not reset this demo in a while, so there's an urgent requirement to clean the toilets. A simple magnetic contact can detect how many times the door to the toilets is being used. As I've sped up the rate of the door usage for the purpose of this demo, I'll just select the clean toilets option first, so you can actually see the count increasing again. So some of the toilets will be used more often than others, and you'll see the count going on 1, 2 and so on. And by monitoring toilet usage, you can plan your cleaning rota on a daily or weekly basis based on the current data that you're receiving. And finally, I'll select the Help tab. So this will bring you to the IAconnects support site, and here you'll find an introduction to the starter kit and walkthroughs for each dashboard. So please do get in touch if you'd like any more information. The contact details can be found here on the screen, so info@iaconnects.co.uk is the email address, iaconnects.co.uk is our website, or you can also find us on LinkedIn and Twitter. So on LinkedIn we're IAconnects Technology Limited, and on Twitter we're just simply IAconnects. Thank you for watching.